Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been way too long, but I am back with some videos for you guys. And today's video, I'm going to be talking about a lingerie company. So this one is specifically for all of my ladies out there. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I personally am not a huge lingerie person. I just find that a lot of them seem to be like uncomfortable and just uncomfortable. But the company I'm going to be talking about today is called Hollywood Lifestyles, and it is a lingerie boutique. And they recently sent me 4 sets of lingerie, and I'm here to review them for you guys. So as I just said, I am not a huge lingerie person because I feel like a lot of them are just like uncomfortable. And my biggest thing is for me to be like comfortable, because I feel like if you're comfortable, then you're able to feel sexy because you're actually like comfortable like in whatever you're wearing, and I think that plays a huge part. What I liked about Hollywood Lifestyle is that all of these were really nicely fitting. They were super sexy and they fit really nice. So I'm going to be showing you the 4 that they sent me, and I'm also going to be showing you pictures that I will put up on the screen as well, because I already had a shoot with these and these are freaking cute. So lingerie is a great way, for those of you that don't know what lingerie is, it's a great way for you to just feel your best. And you can do this for your husband, your boyfriend, whatever, or you can just do it for yourself, just for you to feel sexy in your own skin. First one I'm going to be showing you is this purple one right here. And this is obviously a laced little dress. And what I like about this is that like it fits nicely to your body, but it isn't super tight where you can't move and you're like trying to be sexy and then it just like pops or something. Like this one fits nicely and loose fitting, and it has really cute flowery details at the bottom. And I love how this is just not like a straight cut here. And yeah, in the back it just has, actually I'm showing you guys this is like inside out. In the back, it has this regular like bra clip here, and yeah, this is like super duper comfy and sexy. And it also comes with this little laced G-string here. Yeah, this is the first one. I really love this color as well, and as I said, this is super duper comfortable. So for you ladies out there that are looking for some really cute, comfortable, and sexy lingerie, then I definitely suggest checking them out, especially for us curvy females. This company knows what's up, because everything that they sent me fit me to a T. And as I said, usually when it comes to lingerie, sometimes it just doesn't work well for me, but this company knows what they're doing. So I really enjoyed how these fit. This next one is this beautiful red one. If I can just get this together. This one is so freaking nice. This is probably one of my favorites, like my top two. I got 4, but this is in the top 2. And this one is so nice. And also it's different from this material. So let me show you first, and then I will compare the two. So this one looks like this. It is also a pretty, oh, this is such a nice little dress. And again, I like how it's not cut in just one straight line. Also, what is different from that one is that it doesn't have like the wire here for like your boobies, so it's just straight out there. But it does have this bra clip thing back here, and then in the back you have an open back, and a really like all of this is just open from the bra strap all the way down here. And I think this is just super sexy, and this fits me really nice. Also, as I was saying, the material is different. So this one feels a lot softer and a lot more stretchier. So I think that this one is a lot more stretchier as opposed to this one that feels a little bit more rough. But it is loose fitting, so it's not a big deal. Also, the material on this, although it's stretchier and thicker, it's thicker is what I was gonna say. Although it's stretchier, it is a thicker material, whereas this one is very thin. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but this one has like a thicker pattern overall and all throughout, whereas this one is very much more sheer and like flimsy. And again, this one also has the wire, whereas this one doesn't. So I really love this one because this one is even more comfortable than this one. So this is definitely in my top 2. And this one also does come with the laced G-string. So that is super cute. Moving on to my top favorite, 1 because it's my favorite color, and 2 because it is the most comfortable lingerie ever. It's like these really laced short, like booty short kind of underwears, and I love these kind of underwears. So that's what I'm saying. It's just like, oh, is this really lingerie? This is perfect. But I really love this because it is nice and comfortable. Like, so it feels like you're wearing nothing, and I think that is the best part of it. And it comes with this cute little top here that has no wires in it, nothing uncomfortable about it whatsoever. And as I said, what I love about this is that it's like super duper comfortable, and when I'm comfortable, I'm able to feel more sexy, if that makes sense. It's not as sheer as the other lingerie, but it is still sheer, and it is patterns all throughout, and it feels so soft. If I'm not mistaken, it's very similar to the red one as far as softness goes, but it's even softer than that. And also it is very like flat against your skin. So, and last but not least, they also sent me, this is not lingerie, this is a dress. So they also sent me a nice little club wear dress. So they do sell that on their site as well. On their site they sell lingerie, club wear, and dresses, and swimwear. So I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can check them out. They have really cute stuff. And so this purple dress, which I always get confused with, this nice purple dress is super duper short. So yeah, it's nice and short. I think it fit me really well. It covered me, which is what's most important to me. I like to be covered, especially if I'm going to go out with this, then I would definitely love to be covered. It is a very thin material. It is very comfy because it is thin material, so it literally, again, feels like you're wearing nothing. So if you're into those kinds of dresses to go out, then I definitely do recommend this. It's not my kind of style as far as going out, but if you want to just look sexy and walk around the house with a glass of wine and just have your own me time, then this dress will do that for you. And I also just really like the nice little detail at the top. They also have a lot of cute little dresses on their site that would be perfect for a night out with your boo, or just going to the club or anything like that. So yeah, that is all they sent me. As I said, being a curvy woman, some lingerie is just really not comfortable. It feels really tight. It feels like I have to like walk like this because it's a little too tight and uncomfortable, and I just really don't like it. But I really appreciate this company just because a lot of their lingerie, as I said, does feel really nice and soft and cute. If you guys are interested, then please check them out. Their links and everything will be in the description box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more like hauls and unboxings and stuff like this, then give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know. Also, always go and check out my Instagram, because everything, if I'm doing a haul, I am 100% sure there is pictures on my Instagram of the clothing, of any clothing that I share on here. I usually always have pictures on my Instagram, so go check that out. It is always linked in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.